So I've been on Wegovy for about 14 weeks now, and I've made a little bit of progress. Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to the channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section down below and give this video a thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. So it has been 14 weeks since I've been on Wegovy. I just took my second injection on the 1.7 milligrams. So let's go ahead and do our weigh-in. So as you can see from the weigh-in, I'm currently at 201.6. Now, whenever I started this, when I started Wegovy, I was at 224.4. So that's a total loss of 22.8 pounds. While it don't seem like it's a lot, it actually is for someone like me who has a hard time losing weight. So I'm excited about that. I haven't had any side effects with any of them. The only thing that I do say is it does definitely control your appetite. I haven't been having near as much of the appetite that I normally do. I did, however, start on kind of like a low carb diet. I still eat random stuff here and there because, well, you know, carbs. And I have an extremely sweet tooth, so I've been trying to keep it the sugar-free because I know that with my body personally, when I eat a lot of sugar, I tend to gain more weight. So I've been doing that. I've been eating a lot of spinach and olive oil and stuff like that. So I have kind of rearrange my diet a little bit just to healthier stuff because I want to be a healthy person. I don't want to end up, you know, having a lot of health issues or anything like that. As many of y'all already know, I do have high blood pressure and I'm overweight still. So my goal weight at this moment in time is I just want to get down to 150 pounds at least. I don't think that's too much over. That's still 20 pounds over what they say that I should weigh. My weight should technically be around 130 according to my height, but yeah, I'm thinking 150 would be great for me to at least to begin, and then maybe I can do other things to get to the other point. Now I don't know how my insurance is going to handle it. So Wegovy's not cheap. It's actually quite expensive. So I have to go to the doctor this month and, you know, see if they will cover it or continue to cover it because it all depends on whether they think that it's working for me, which I see that it is, but I also know my body and know how hard it is for me to lose weight. So we got that going, and I go there on the 20th of this month. Today is currently the 8th, and y'all probably won't see this until the 11th. Maybe not. I have finals this week. It's my last week of school, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm graduating. This has been a long time coming. You know, I set out with the objective of finishing and seeing this thing through, and I have done it. It feels so rewarding. And then of course, you know, I have my job and my children and everything, so you know, life's been hectic. I did start a new job, so that's been great. And then what else? That's pretty much it. You know, I'm still going through this. I'm still taking my injections weekly. I don't have really hardly any issues with it. I don't have any, you know, I don't have any bruising at the injection site. I don't have any nausea or anything like that. My body's been taking it very well, and I can see a change in me. So that's good. What else? I think that's it, you guys. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I do answer those. I will probably go through everything as soon as I have a chance and answer everything. As y'all know, I did recently move. So we are in the new house. It's a little, we're still getting settled. So my craft room is a complete mess. But office is pretty good. So we're still getting into that. And Christmas is right around the corner. You know, we have a whole lot going on. As you know, your girl's always busy. So I'm going to continue on trying to get y'all updates at least weekly, as I have been. I am going to get that craft room organized and get back on my crafting videos because I feel like a part of me is missing. You know, I need to be doing something productive. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description or the comment section down below. And y'all have a great day. Bye.